1000 LB Sisters Tammy Slaton gives clue she is driving now. Fans of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters are buzzing after Tammy Slaton seemed to drop a major hint that she might be driving again, something many never thought they would see. Tammy Slaton, known for her incredible weight loss journey and life-changing transformation, recently sparked speculation with a social media post that suggested she may finally have gained the freedom and mobility to get behind the wheel. For years, Tammy's struggle with her health and mobility meant she was almost entirely dependent on her family and specialized transportation to get around. However, after losing a dramatic amount of weight and regaining her independence, fans are starting to believe she has reached another major milestone. In a recent video posted to TikTok and shared on Instagram, Tammy was seen sitting in what appeared to be the driver's seat of a car. Although she didn't explicitly confirm that she was driving, viewers were quick to analyze every detail in the clip. From the angle of the camera to the background and even the placement of the steering wheel, fans were convinced that Tammy was not just sitting in the front seat as a passenger but actually in control of the car. The comment section quickly lit up with excitement and speculation, with many longtime followers celebrating the possibility that she has gained a new level of independence. Some fans wrote messages like, "Tammy, are you driving now? This is amazing," while others encouraged her to confirm the news. Tammy Slaton has spent the last several years documenting her battle with obesity and the health challenges that came with it. During the early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, she relied heavily on her sister Amy and other family members for basic mobility and transportation, often needing medical vans to take her to appointments due to her weight and oxygen dependence. Her journey took a dramatic turn when she underwent bariatric surgery and committed herself to an intense weight loss and rehabilitation process. Viewers have watched her slowly regain mobility, first walking short distances with a walker, then without assistance, and now appearing healthier and more confident than ever. Driving has long been considered one of the ultimate milestones for Tammy because it represents full independence and the ability to take control of her own daily life. While Tammy has not officially confirmed that she has her driver's license or that she has been cleared to drive, the visual evidence combined with her recent health updates makes the possibility very real. Fans who have followed her progress know that in order to drive safely, Tammy would need not only to be under the legal weight limit for using a standard driver's seat and seat belt but also be free from mobility limitations that could affect her ability to operate pedals or respond quickly in traffic. The show has yet to depict her driving, but it is possible that this moment will be featured in an upcoming season as one of the highlights of her remarkable recovery. Tammy's potential driving moment is more than just a small personal achievement, it symbolizes the enormous effort she has put into reclaiming her life. Since the passing of her husband Caleb Willingham, Tammy has spoken openly about her desire to keep moving forward and living fully. Driving would allow her to travel independently, visit friends and family, and engage in everyday activities without constant reliance on others. It would also mark a full-circle moment for fans who have cheered her on since the beginning of her journey. The online reaction to Tammy's post has been overwhelmingly positive, with many followers calling her an inspiration and applauding her determination. Social media discussions about her potential driving status have also sparked larger conversations about self-reliance, confidence, and celebrating progress in long-term health journeys. Many viewers have pointed out that the simple act of driving, something most people take for granted, is a life-changing event for someone who spent years struggling with basic mobility. Tammy's story continues to evolve, and every new development shows just how far she has come. Whether or not she officially confirms she is driving now, the clues are enough to keep fans hopeful and excited for what comes next. If she has indeed reached this milestone, it would be yet another testament to her resilience, dedication, and the life-saving impact of her weight loss journey. For now, fans will be watching closely, waiting for Tammy to either make an official announcement or perhaps surprise everyone with footage of her confidently taking the wheel. Her transformation has been nothing short of extraordinary, and this possible new chapter as a licensed and independent driver would be the perfect symbol of how far she has come since the beginning of 1000 LB Sisters. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.